Okay, so guys, I am Landon, as you remember from our first video. This right here is the tornado experiment, also other experiments that we will be doing later on. So as we can see here, we have not had many storms. We're doing experiments, so you know we're still making videos. But before we do this, I want to tell you about the Wednesday windstorm that we had. Wind speeds up to 50 miles per hour, which is insanity. And also an entire street light was knocked over. Luckily it is fixed by now, as I was passing it on my bus this morning. But entire tree branches were knocked over. Christmas decorations were over, like heavy reindeer. I saw one on our street. It was knocked over. So the winds got super high, and there was also an extreme wind chill. Degrees or 7 degrees, but it felt like -7 degrees. It was insanity yesterday. Just debris flying, like, well, mostly like sticks from trees and like stuff like that. So now we're gonna get onto this. As you can see here, now we are going to be doing the experiment. Shout out to my Nini and Papa and my Uncle Aaron and my Aunt Laura for getting me this for Christmas. So, as you can see here, we have 2 bottles, a water bottle full of water. I just used the other one that I got, and these tornado tubes. So, as you can see here, we're gonna have these 2 water bottles, and it's supposed to look like, as you can see, it's supposed to look like that, and tornado tubes, and you're gonna have to attach it to the first water bottle, as you can see here. And now the other water bottle, you will have to fill up with water. I don't want to spill it. So now one of the last steps is you're gonna, of course, have to attach it like this. Now I'll tell you also, once we're done making it, how this will work. They're wondering, it's 2 bottles with 2 of these tornado caps. Well, watch how this works. So all you gotta do is really shake it up, and kaboom, you have a tornado. So, if you're wondering, how does that work? So how it works is, when you shake it, you can see first bubbles appear out of it. Those bubbles start to rotate around because of the shaking and cause them to collide together, creating air holes. And that goes into a rotating shape, creating a tornado. Well, in this case, a water spout. That right there is the tornado experiment. And yeah, that's the tornado experiment.